Hello everyone, welcome to Mom's Recipe. Today's recipe is simple. Chicken gravy is a delicious and flavorful Indian curry. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pressure cooker in medium flame. Add a half teaspoon caraway seeds, 8 to 10 whole black pepper and mix. Now add 4 medium-size finely sliced onion, salt and cook for a few minutes. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe. Then add 1.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and saute for a few minutes until the raw smell disappears. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification. 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder and mix well. Add 800 grams chicken pieces and mix well. Still, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. You will receive amazing, tasty and easy recipes. Add 1 cup water or as needed for your desired consistency. Close the pressure cooker and cook on medium heat for 3 to 4 whistles. Let the pressure release and open the pressure cooker. Mix well. Add a half teaspoon whole spices powder, chopped coriander leaves, 2 paste green chilies. Cover the lid, cook in low flame for a couple of minutes. Remove gravy in a bowl and decorate with coriander leaves. Enjoy your delicious and tasty chicken gravy. It looks very delicious and tasty. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye. See you again with another recipe.